Guys, today we can discuss the Linq concept in the C Sharp. So Linq nothing but it's simply like a language integrated query. So whenever you are asked to do something complex logic in C Sharp, you can always use Linq to get that done. Right. So what I will be doing is I will be like showing you some sample Linq expression on how to get the result. We'll be covering Linq as part of upcoming lectures as well. So let's start by creating one main function. Okay, inside a main function, what I will do is I will show you three things. Linq for the character, okay, Linq for the integer, and then Linq for the string. Okay, I will do certain things, just bear with me. So first what I will do is I will create one character, I mean array of characters. Okay, okay, so here, so it char set. Okay, so here what I will be doing is I will be simply writing character set of something, let's say a comma b, then g, h. Okay, so this become your array, right? Character of array. Now someone asks you, so someone gives you the array, okay, of characters and asks you to find how many of characters belong to the alphabet. Okay, so how will be finding it out? So without link you, I will be applying obviously if else condition a lot. So I will simply show you that by writing simply using link queue. So you can just simply write as you know, where is a like data type which can hold any type of data. So simply we can store the result in a where, and then we can use a for each loop to demonstrate it. Okay, so you can write where, you can simply write result here is equal to, and then this here comes your link query, right? So you will be writing from, let's write x in, and then you'll be writing the array. Okay, so here you will be writing where x is equal to a. So since you have to find out the vowel, right? So you'll be writing or condition x is equal to e. Okay. Again, or condition x is equal to I. Come on, this is taking your string. You need the character only, right? So similarly, you can write further also. So I need to make it as o, right? And then I need to make it as u. Okay. And then you will be selecting x. So what this query is doing, so it is going to x is nothing but all these characters. Char set is nothing but your array. Okay, so this is going to loop you for all set of character, and it is going to check if x is equal to this much of character set. If that's there, then it is going to select x. Okay, so all the result, all the characters will be stored in a result char. So how can we check that? So simply you can write a for each loop, and you can go through this char c in result. Okay, you can write console.writeLine, and then you can print c here. Okay. And then just to stop the console for a while, we will be writing console.readline. Readline. Okay, so what will happen, it's going to give you a, e, and e. Okay, so these are the three things you'll be getting here. Let's run this. Let me put a breakpoint here. Okay, you are getting just a and e. You're not getting I, because you do not have I in the array of characters. You just have a and e, so you are getting a and e as your output. Okay, let's see the second example. Things will become more clear if you are going to see the examples of this. Okay, so let me just write the second thing, that is for integer. Okay, so here what I will do is I will write I will define an array of integer. Okay, so integer of array, so let's say numbers, new int. Okay, and then here I will be writing something 2 5 8 9 3 46. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is someone asks you to find the numbers which are divisible by 2. So similarly you can find it out with the help of link query. So how you need to write? So you can write var result, and then you can write something like num is equal to. So you need to write from. Let's take y in, and then you have to write your array. It can be array, it can be list, anything. Okay, and then you have to write where, and you need to put the condition. So what should be your condition? So y should be divisible by 2. So you can write a logic y modulo 2 is equal to 0. If that's the case, then you need to select this variable. Okay. So now what happened? This logic is going to be run for all the integer in your array, and it is going to store the result in this one. Now you want to see what are the numbers which are divisible by 2. You'll be simply using the same thing for each. And instead of int, you can write var also, because var can accept anything. So you can write var result in, and you can give this one result num. Okay. So here what I will be doing is I will be using simply console.writeLine to print the result. Okay. And then you can use this console.readline for stopping the console for a while, so that you can see the result also, right? So let me do one thing. I will be writing this console.writeline just as a separation here. So I think something like this. We'll just separate it both the cases. Okay. Let me write this here also, because I will be showing you third case. You need to remove this read line from it. I don't need it. Now run it. So see what is the result you are getting. You are getting 2, 8 and 46. So these are the three exactly the numbers which are divisible by 2. So you have seen, right? This is like by using link you can simply, this become more easy if you'll be using lambda expression. So I will be covering that in the next sessions. Let's see one more example. Okay. Now remove this console.readline from here also, because I don't want to stop for first two cases. So let's take the third case. So third case will be for a string. I will be defining an array of string. So let's say string, and then string array is equal to new string. Okay. So here what I will be checking is I will be like writing some name. Okay, and then I will be checking which name has the length greater than 5. So I will be writing something like Goa also, Pune, Pai, what else I take, Chennai. Okay, so this become your array of a string. Now you can apply the link query to check what are the strings for which we have length greater than 5. So how can we do that? So you var result of string is equal to, again you have to write something like from z in, you can write a string array. It's giving you this suggestion, but you will not be getting every time if you're not doing this in like proper compiler. Okay, so now let's write, come on, let's write. Okay, now you need to write the condition where z dot. So since z is the string, right? So you can use the property string dot length to count the length of the characters inside a string. So you can simply write z dot length greater than 5. Okay, and then you'll be writing order by z, just to like arrange it in ascending order. Okay, dot, one second, it has written twice, order by z, then select z. Okay, so this is fine. Now let's read this, how many string we have in certain cases. You can write var, here you can write anything, because it can be anything. The main thing you need to take here is the result, this one. So we are reading one by one. We'll be reading this result here. Okay, now put this console.readline here. So dot line, that's fine. So I run it. Ideally, what should come? So if I'm making z dot length greater than 5, then you'll be getting Pankaj, Mumbai, and Chennai. You'll not be getting Goa and Pune. Okay. So let's see what you're getting. So you're getting Chennai, Mumbai, and Pankaj. So Chennai, Mumbai, and Pankaj you are getting. And why you are getting in order by z? Because so why you are getting this in ascending order? Because you have already made it order by z. Okay. Okay, if you are making it order wise yet descending, then you are going to get the result in a descending order of the alphabet. So let's try. See, you are now getting in the reverse order, Pankaj, Mumbai, Chennai, right? So this is how like we can uh, analyze the link expression, or like it will solve your issue of solving the complex expression. So this will become more easy if you are using it with the lambda expression. Those things we'll be covering in the next lecture. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day. If you like the video, then you can subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for today. Bye bye.